Alright, time for part 4. We are in the furnace area. And I'm going to just say this right before we start. If I sound any different, it's because I have bronchitis. Ugh. And if I cough during the video, I'll try my best to get out of the way of the mic. Because in part 3, when I coughed in the mic, that was really loud. So, try not to do it. Furnace room. There's a secret when you're fighting the boss here. When you pick up the furnace key, and if you try to get him in that area to burn him and kill him, if you just kill him normally, like have him pick up the exploding barrels and you shoot him and it blows up and he like dies or just gets paralyzed, you can easily just kill him by shooting the little yellow blobs on him. So, run. Alright, if you do this, you can knock it over. Gas. Atari. Shovel, why are you over there? It's gonna come for you instead of me. Oh my lordy. No, where are you going? Over here. Oh yeah. Is he in here? I believe so. Run! Oh, 7 now! Ow, jeez! Run. Why am I so low on health already? Alright, watch this. He's gonna grab the tube, blow it up. He gets stunned. Now, basically just shoot the crap out of him. Because there's a thing, if you fry him in that thing, he doesn't drop his item that you want. So if you kill him normally, he'll drop, I think it's a ring. I'm not sure. And I just noticed Sheva is shooting me in the back. What the fuck? Why? Sheva, sometimes I think you're an idiot. He's close to death, I think. Ouch. Run! Help me. No, I need to be careful. Jeez. My mom, jeez. God. Eat jailbreaker. Oh no. He's alive. What's wrong? Aye. Blast him. Blast him. Yeah, he's dead. Ew, you like ate the flesh off of that thing with the worms. See, we didn't even have to use our furnace key thing. Good. Got a gold ring from it. We're coming up on our next BSAA emblem. Let's open the damn door. God, there's so many dead soldiers down here. It's unbelievable. Oh, buttload of handgun ammo, which you don't need. See, right in there. You look in there. There's an emblem right there. Open up. Ah! First time I saw this, I thought that dead guy was gonna get up, like, try to kill you while you're in the elevator. But no. You're perfectly fine. My camera. No. Yes, Irving. And some weird hawk woman. Who forgets their computer in the car? I forgot what a BOW is. Bio something weapon. I have no idea. Oh, God, I wish Fraps would record game sound. I should probably download like Cam Studio or something. Game Cam. So I could download game sound. So it just doesn't read subtitles through the whole game. So what are you talking about transportation is taken out? You got 2 cars right by you. Dumb. I think that's just kind of ironic that she would say that. Dispatch. Sorry about that. End of chapter 1, 2. We got an S. Sweet. We cleared that in 10 minutes. That's crazy. Don't need shotgun shells. A lot of treasures. Gonna keep them and then sell them all when we're done. Can I buy anything new? Nope. Oh, nitrogen rounds when you get the grenade launcher. When you get to the last level, always carry those. Because if you freeze an enemy, 1 shot will kill them. With like a pistol, if you hit them in like the leg or something, it'll shatter them. Oh, over here's another BSAA emblem. And if you jump across, there's a whole bunch of gold in this chest. And there's a gun down here. Which you see the gun me and Chev are holding right now. It's right here in the box, but I already have it, so I don't need it. God, I hate having a cold and doing a let's play. Bet you sound like crap. No biggie. Oh, this part I hate so much. Guys coming out from right there. Oh yeah. Ah! Oh, here's my least favorite enemy in the game. Doggies. Uh-oh, I'm getting a text. Shoot the harpooner. Yeah, don't walk into those. Ah! Ah! Those are not dogs. Those are malevolent. Ow, shit, a dog just kicked me in the face. Gotta put you down. Ow. Whoa. Holy crap. Hope they don't have rabies. Ah! Boom. Ha ha. And then we're gonna see a fat guy. Oh no. I'm getting a phone call. I'll probably just end the video here.